Alright everybody, so we are here today because we got a package in the mail. And you know what time it is. That means it is unboxing time. So here we go. Right now I'm holding my camera with one hand, so I only got one free hand. So let's try and get this done with one hand only. I know you're not supposed to cut towards yourself, so don't do that. Don't do what I'm doing. Make that noise. Okay. So, if you guys can't see, holy crap, this thing's stuck. So let me put the camera down. So as you can see right here, that they are spacers for the Chevy SS. So a lot of you are probably wondering, well, why did I go ahead and buy spacers when I could just get wider wheels and tires? Well, that wasn't in the plan for right now. Right now I just wanted something to kick my wheels out a little bit more and give me a better aggressive stance. So I went with these. Hub centric. They're 5x120, I believe, because that's the specs for my wheel. I believe they're 1 inch thick. So I got 4 of them. Obviously. I can't wait. I can't wait to see what these look like on. I got 255 tires up front. I believe 245 4019s up front. And then we got 275 3519 in the rear. So it's a little bit wider in the rear, but you still have a lot of gaps. So hopefully those spacers will take care of that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the follow-up video for the installation of the spacers. This video was mostly just to show you guys what we got in the mail. So that is the unboxing, the reveal of the new mod.